Today's video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at thermal print head cleaning on the Sharp range of thermal printing cash registers. So in this video I'm using the 203, but the process would be the same on any till, to be honest with you, that's got a thermal print head in it. So you can see here in front of you, I've got the till turned around with two sample receipts in front of you. So this is obviously the correct one, so the receipt header message is showing correctly with the date and time, receipt number, and the amounts clearly shown, the tax breakdown. On this second receipt that I've printed out, the right hand side is totally missing and it's a bit blurry in the middle. So I'll just print out a copy receipt now so you can see that the problem is specifically with this till. If this is happening or something similar is happening, you might think it could be the problem with the till roll. You can tell it's the right till roll paper because you're getting some print appear. You can tell it's loaded the correct way because you're getting some print. In theory, it could be a problem with that particular roll. It's unlikely, but you could rule that out by changing the roll and replacing with a new one. If this problem's still happening, the only place to look is the thermal print head in the register, and I'll now show you how to look at that correctly. The first thing to do is to disconnect the machine from the mains. You don't want any power running to it for a variety of reasons, but including you wouldn't want to short the print head out. You then take off the printer covers if you were changing the till roll on the machine. On the 203 there's this lever here which lifts up the platen arm. If you haven't got the 203 you'll have a fairly similar procedure to carry out to lift up the platen arm. And then the arm's lifted up so you can't quite see the thermal print head, but if I move the camera in, basically the print head is this thing here, so it's the kind of, it's not the metal bit here, it's not this plasticky bit at the top, it's this brown coloured thing here. So you can see on mine there's something slightly in the way. So if I remove that, it's quite a big item. If you get rid of that, that should solve the problem. Now, if you haven't got anything obvious in the way like that, what you can do is take one of these thermal print head cleaning pens and just run it along the thermal print head a couple of times. The theory is to get rid of anything that might be causing obstruction on the print head, which is causing the problem with the print. See, it's got like an edge to it, so it's quite easy to run along the print head. Get rid of any, it could be a build-up of paper dust if it's been used for a long time. Then once that's done, put the till roll back in, drop your platen arm back over, and then you should find when you print, so you need to turn the machine back on obviously. Just produce a copy receipt of the last transaction and print out a couple. We can see there that the print's now perfect. There's no missing block on the right and there's no blurriness in the middle. Okay, hope that video has been helpful. Got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the Sharp range of cash registers, which you're welcome to check out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.